Good morning, dear children. Yesterday, our topic was the how many types of the political party generally we found. The three types of the party system we found. That first one is the one party system, then two party system, and third one is the multi party system. So this we learned yesterday. Now we are moving towards the popular participation in the political parties. So it is often said that the political parties are facing a crisis because they are very unpopular and the citizen are indifferent to political parties. The available evidence shows that these beliefs is only true for the India. The evidence based on the series of large sample survey conducted over the several decades shows that means here that map is showing to us key that many in the many country we can see the peoples are not satisfied with with their political parties. The political parties do not enjoy much trust among the people. Means the people not having the much trust upon the political parties in South Asia. The proportion of those who says their trust in the political parties is not much or not at all. It is more than those who have some or great trust. The same is true of most other democracies as well. Political parties are one of the least trusted institutions all over the world. Means we can say all over the world there is the least trustship on the political party. At the level of the participation in the activities of the political parties was fairly high. The proportion of those who said they were members of some political party was higher in India than many advanced countries like the Canada, Japan, and Spain and South Korea. So over the last decades, the popular proportion of those who report to be the members of the political parties in India has gone up steadily. Means we can say in case of the India, there are the many people who trust upon that political party rather than the another countries. In proportion of those who say they feel close to a political party has also gone up in India in this period. That is the general discussion. You have to read it and afterwards you will get it. Now we are turned to our next topic. That is very important topic, our national parties. So there are the two kinds of the parties. One is the national and another one is the state party that we call the recognized party. So that we are going to see now. The democracies that follow a federal system all over the world tend to have two kinds of the political parties. Parties that are present is only one of the federal units and parties that are present in several or all units of the federations. This is the case in India as well. There are some country with white parties which are called the national parties. These parties have their units in the various states, but by and large, all these units follow the same policies, programs, and strategy that is decided at the national level. Means here we can say the federal system means we found the political parties in all over the world in the state that we call the federal system, and that parties, there are the two kinds of the parties. One is the national party and another one is the state party. So every party in the country has the registers with the election commission. In India 750 party has registered already. I'm telling about the India, and this I discussed also in the previous lecture. The while the commission treats all the parties equally, it offers some special facilities to the large established party. So means election commission treat same with the every party, but some special facilities to large established parties. They provide the large established party, and now we are going to see what is the large established party. So these parties are given a unique symbol. Only the official candidates of that party can use that election symbol. Means you know some parties and their election symbols also, that we are going to discuss. The parties that get this privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the election commission for this purpose. That is why these parties are called a recognized political party. It means a particular party having their particular symbol, that party we call the recognized party. Means through that symbol we can recognize their party members also. The election commission has laid down detailed criteria of the proportion of the vote and seats that a party must get in order to recognize party. A party that secure at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the legislative assembly of a state and wins at least the 2 seats in the recognized as a state party. Means here, one more thing you have to keep in mind. If any party wants to become a national party, so some conditions are there that I am discussing with you. Okay, Indian National Congress Party, the party wins the 2% of seat in Lok Sabha, and from from at least 3 different states they want a 2% seat in Lok Sabha, and general election of Lok Sabha Legislative Assembly, and the party polls 6% of vote in 4 states, and in addition it wins the 4 seats for the Lok Sabha. A party gets recognized as a state party in 4 or more states. Means in national party, when we can call it the national party, again I am saying in brief, the national party criteria. What is the national party criteria? The national party wins 2% seats in the Lok Sabha. Okay, then this party were from the 3 different states. Then second is there at a general election to Lok Sabha or Legislative Assembly, the party polls 6% of vote in 4 seats. Means that party, if the party want to become a national party, so the party polls 6% of the vote in 4 seats. 6% vote उनको चाहिए in 4 seat में, and addition it wins 4 Lok Sabha seat plus 4 Lok Sabha seats they won. Then a party gets recognition as a state party in a 4 or more than 4 state. Okay, that is the condition to become the national party. The election commission has laid down the detailed criteria proportion of the votes and seat the party must get in order to be recognized party. A party that secured at least 6% of the total votes in the election to the legislative assembly of the state and wins at least 2 seats in the recognized as a state party. A party that secured at least 6% of the total votes in the Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. Then according to this classification, there were 7 recognized national parties in the country in 2018. Let us learn something about each of these parties. The first party is their Indian National Congress Party, INC. It is launched 1st January 1998 under the leadership of the Mamata Banerjee. Okay, Indian National Congress. I'm telling you about the Indian National Congress, INC, that founded in 1885 and has experienced many splits. They played a dominant role in Indian politics and national and state level for the several decades after India's independence. Under the leadership of the Jawaharlal Nehru, the party sought to build a modern secular democratic republic in India. Ruling party at the center till 1977 and then from 1980 to 1989. After 1989, its supports declined but continued to be present throughout the country, cutting across the social division. A center party in this. In its ideology orientation, the party espouses the secularism and welfare of weaker section and the minorities, supports new economics and reforms, but with a human face. Leader of the United Progressive Alliance government from 2004 to 2014. Currently, it is the principal opposition party in the Lok Sabha. Means we are seeing here the first party, Indian National Congress Party. Indian National Congress, we can say it is founded in 1885, and after the independence, in brief, we can keep in our mind that after the independence, it became a free India primary political party, and in the first 5 general election held, the Congress virtually controlled the politics of the country. Now, the next party is here, BJP, Bahujan Samajwadi Party. तो formed in 1980 or the 1984, maybe under the leadership of the Khanshiram. Then seek to represent the secular power of the Bahujan Samaj, which included. This I am not telling about the BJP. Now BJP information. So BJP, it means the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP founded in 1980 by reviewing the is while Bharatiya Janata Sangh, formed by the Samya Prasad Mukherjee in 1951, wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India, ancient culture and values. And Deen Dayal Upadhyay's ideas of the integral humanism and the Antodaya, that are their yojanas. Then cultural nationalism is an important element in this concept of Indian nationhood and politics. Wants to tutorial the political integration of the Jammu and Kashmir with the India, a uniform civil code for all the people living in the country, irrespective of the religion, and ban on the religion conversion. It supports best increase the substantiity in the 1990s, earlier limited to north and the west and to the urban areas. The party expands its supports in the south and the east and the northeast and to rural areas. Came to power in 1998 as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance, including several regional parties, emerged as the largest party with the 282 members in the 2014 Lok Sabha election. Currently leads the ruling NDA government at the center. And the Bharatiya Janata Party's symbol is the lotus. With that symbol, we can recognize that Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. So in short, we can say it is created in 1980. It's champions the socio-religious value of India. Since its formation, the BJP has been strong rival of the Indian National Congress. It is a strong rival of the Indian National Congress, and it now the government and the leading party with the National Democratic Alliance, NDA. Now, third one is the BSP. You know the BSP, whose party is that? BSP, it means the Bahujan Samaj Party. Formed in 1984 under the leadership of the Khanshiram, seeks to represent the secular for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalit or Adivasis, OBCs, and religious minorities. Draw the inspiration from the ideas and technique of the Shahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, and Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar, and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Stands for the cause of securing the interest and the welfare of the Dalits and offers the people. Then it has its main base in the state of the Uttar Pradesh and subtains presence in the neighboring states like the Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Punjab. There these parties worked. Then formed government in the Uttar Pradesh and several times by taking the support of different parties at different times. In the Lok Sabha election held on 2014, it polled about 4% of vote but did not secure seat in the Lok Sabha. The Bahujan Samaj Party is a party formed to represent the OBC, SC and ST. For that caste only this party priority is given for that parties, means it's a party of minorities. Then the BSP was formed in 1984 by two leaders, that the Khanshiram and the Mayawati. Mayawati is a leading leader. It draws the inspiration from the techniques of Shahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar and Ramaswamy Naikar. That is the brief information about that same party. Next. Now we come on the Communist Party of India, CPIM, founded in 1964. That CPI is founded in 1964. That Communist Party formed in 1964. It believes in the Marxism, Leninism, and secularism and democracy. It is opposed to the force of the communalization and the it believes that the parliament democracy helps the interest of the farmers and the working class and the poor. It means that party, Communist Party, always support to the farmers, support to the poor person and working class peoples. That is that CPI's party sign. Now next party is there. Might you all know which is this? Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. It was formed on the May 25,000 1990 May 25 1999 by the Sharad Pawar and PA Sangama and Tariq Anwar after they were thrown out of the Congress Party. NCP have a major support in the Maharashtra state, and the NCP claims that it supports democracy, then Gandhian secularism, equality, social justice, and the federalism. That is the National Congress Party, NCP. In brief, we can say it is formed in 1999, followed a split in the Congress Party. After means when they turn out from the Congress Party, that leader established one party, that is the National Congress Party. Supports the democracy, Gandhian secularism, equality, social justice, and the federalism. Okay. So most probably we say कि these your 7 parties, these are your national parties. Now tomorrow in tomorrow's lecture we will gonna see our state parties. Okay, thank you.